This is my 2-year-old guava plant which I grow on the ground. My main objective is to get a good big trunk for a bonsai in a short span of time. This is the main root with a large trunk. I have to dig it out carefully with minimal damage to the roots, so that it can survive easily. All the wiring had been done a year ago to give a nice curved structure. Here there are 2 parallel branches, now become quite big. I have to choose one from this. I think I'll choose the smaller one. Today I'm going to take it out to start a new bonsai on guava tree. This is the full structure after cutting the branches. Now it's time to choose in which position I have to grow and which branches I have to keep. I'm keeping this small tiny branch. I think this will be the perfect position. For this, I have to remove all the upper roots.
It's another tequila sunrise, staring slowly across the sky. Said goodbye. He was just a hired hand, working on the dreams he planned to try. The days go by. Every night when the sun goes down, just another lonely boy in town. She's out running around. She wasn't just another woman, and I couldn't keep from coming on. Been so long. Oh, and it's a hollow feeling when it comes down to dealing friends. It never ends. Take another shot of courage, wonder why the right words never come. You just get numb. It's another tequila sunrise. This old world still looks the same. Another frame.
거기를 배를 갈까요?